In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your site. WIX Website Builder. Start by opening your Wix website editor and navigating to the page where you want to add a link. I'm using a blog page, but these steps work the same on any page. Click the text element you want to turn into a link, then highlight the exact words you want to make clickable. With the text selected, open the link settings in the text toolbar. You'll see a panel with choices like None, Web Address, Top, Bottom of Page, Section or Anchor, Document, Email, Phone Number, and Pop-up. Let's go through the most common options. Choose Web Address to link to any external site. Paste your URL, then decide how it opens. For links that leave your site, choose New Window so visitors don't lose their place. For internal links within your own site, Current Window is usually best. Confirm your choice. If you want to send people to a specific spot on the same page, pick Top, Bottom of Page, or select Section or Anchor to jump to a particular section you've named. This is handy for long pages or FAQ layouts. To attach a file, select Document. You can upload a PDF, brochure, or guide, then link to it so it opens for your visitors. If you need an email link that opens the visitor's email app, choose Email. Enter the email address, and optionally add a subject line to help you organize incoming messages. For phone links, use Phone Number so mobile visitors can tap to call. And if you've designed a pop-up for promotions or announcements, choose Pop-up and select the one you want to open when the text is clicked. When you're finished configuring the link, click Done to apply it. If you adjusted multiple settings or drilled into a few screens, keep clicking. Done until you're back on the page. If you're linking several pieces of text, repeat the process. Click the text, highlight the words, open the link panel, choose the destination type, set how it opens, and click Done. A few quick tips before we publish. Make your link text descriptive so users know what to expect, like read the full guide instead of click here. Use New Window for external sites and documents, but keep internal navigation in the same window for a smoother experience. And after setting up email or phone links, double-check the address or number for accuracy. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Click Publish in the top right to push